All right, hello third grade. Today we're going to be talking about synonyms and choosing synonyms those are words that mean the same or are very similar. So we can interchange them in a sentence. These words can be changed, so you could say tired, sleepy, you could say courageous, brave. So they're words that have very similar meanings. So we're just going to go over a quick list of just some synonyms to an example, and then we'll go over what we're doing for homework. So large and big, those could be changed in a sentence. They both mean the same thing. Exit, leave, present, gift, alike, same, stone, rock, last, and final, easy and simple. So these are just examples of words that have a very similar meaning that we can change in sentences. And this is kind of what we're going to be going over today. So they're going to give us a word and we have to look at the synonym. Which word has the same meaning that we could switch out in a sentence? So if our word is pretty, we're looking for a synonym, a word that means pretty. So would we do ugly or beautiful? Well, we know pretty and beautiful are both compliments, are both nice things. So those are synonyms, because if you called someone pretty or if you called someone beautiful, you're calling them pretty much the same thing. So that would be our synonym. So then merry. So merry is being very happy. So would that go with jolly or angry? Well, jolly also means having happy, having joy. Angry doesn't, it means you're the opposite, you're mad. So merry and jolly would be synonyms. So now we're working with the synonym of unhappy. So we look at the prefix and we have un, which means not. So not happy. So does that mean that you're cold? No. Would it more so mean that you're sad? Yeah, because being not happy would be technically being sad. All right, let's do a few more examples. So when we're talking about noisy, that is something that is loud, that you can hear. So here we have, I said loud, and then we have big. So noisy doesn't necessarily mean big, so we have to look at the words. Noisy means that we can hear it with our ears. So it would be loud, we can hear with our ears. Big isn't something that we can hear with our ears. So now let's try one of these. Now we have 3 options. So our word is middle. We have to find a word that means middle or is like middle. So we have end, center, meet. Well, the middle would be, if I have 3 pens, the green one is in the middle. So this one would be at the end. So end and middle are different. But center, I would say the green pen is in the center. So that could be the same as middle. I could use those in the same sentence, interchange the words. And meet isn't really, it's like you're meeting with someone. That doesn't really have to do with the middle. So center would be our best option for a synonym, a word that is like our word, and that would be our correct answer. All right, so then we could do get. Get is receive, own, present. So if I get something, someone's giving it to me. So receive is when someone gives you something. Own is when I already have it. Present is something that is like a gift to someone. So get would go with receive, because if I'm getting something, I'm receiving something from someone else. All right. So just a reminder that synonyms are words with the same meaning or almost the same meaning. So when we're looking through this and we're looking at all of our options, we're looking at words that we could switch them out in a sentence. So if it helps and they're saying closed, use closed in a sentence saying the door was closed, and then see which one you can change. The door was shut. That would work, because that'd be the same thing. The door was window. That doesn't make sense. So you can also use the word that is in bold in a sentence, change out the words, and see which one makes sense. All right, have fun and take your time. Think through each one, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, third grade.